Hello, I'm Ana Rose Virator. I'm from Cavite City Christian Fellowship and studying at Cavite State University, Cavite City Branch, and I'm taking up Bachelor in Elementary Education. I'm so thankful to God for this privilege given unto me. Truly, God has shown perfect time. I remember when I was 16 years old, I once prayed to God that I hope at the age of 21, I'll be able to study in college. But as things went in my life, I thought I'll never be able to study. But after almost 5 years since I prayed that prayer, this opportunity came. I really can't believe it because it was too good to be true, especially with the fact that somewhere out there are some people touched by God to support others in studying. Thank you so much because you became instrument of God to perform a miracle in my life. I didn't know you or even saw you, but I know you have a great love for God because of your ministry for us. With all my heart, I'm thanking you, and I want to show my gratitude to you for by means of praying for you faithfully. Thank you so much from the friends of Bright Hope World and the Cappuccino Club. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord makes His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turns toward you and give you peace. God bless you.